In this video, you'll learn how to resolve login issues with Perplexity AI. This guide will help you troubleshoot common problems that may prevent you from accessing your account effectively. Start by checking your email for any communication from Perplexity AI. Be sure to look in your spam or junk folders, as important messages can sometimes be filtered there. If you find an email use the latest login link provided within it, it is advisable to access this link from the same device you were using for the login attempt. If the email method does not work, try a different login option. Perplexity AI allows users to log in using Google or Apple accounts. Select the appropriate button for the service you wish to use and follow the prompts to complete the login process. Next, consider performing some browser fixes. Start by clearing the cache of your current browser. This can often resolve issues related to stored data. After clearing the cache, attempt to log in again. If issues persist, try using incognito mode, which disables extensions and stored cookies. Alternatively, switching to a different browser may also help to bypass any potential browser-related issues. Another important step is to disable any VPN or proxy services you may be using. These services can sometimes block login links or cause connectivity issues. Once you have turned off the VPN or proxy, retry the login process to see if it resolves the issue. It is also crucial to check your internet connection and ensure your email address is entered correctly. A stable connection is necessary for successful logins, and any typos in your email address can prevent access. Verify that the connection is stable and that you are using the correct email associated with your account. If you have tried all these steps and still cannot log in, it may be time to contact support. You can reach out to support by sending an email to support@perplexity.ai. In your message, include your email address, the device you are using, and any specific error messages you may have encountered during your attempts to log in. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.